how to reset frequently used emojis on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, let's dive right in. If you're tired of seeing the same emojis every day, then you can change it like this. First things first, you can go to your Notes app, Messages, anything where you can type the emojis. So just go ahead and tap on the emojis option, and then here on the clock like option, you'll see your recently used emojis. Now, if you want to reset it, just go to the smiley icon just beside it, and then tap on the emojis that you want to. So just use the emojis. Uh, you can even go to other sections and just hit done. And once you've done that, open the keyboard again, go to the emojis icon, and go to the recently used emojis again. So there you can see your recently used emojis has been changed. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.